Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Programming with View. In this tutorial, we are about to make your Excel experience more efficient and organized. We are going to learn how to insert a calendar and date picker right into your Excel workbook. No more manual date entry or scrolling through endless cells. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing add-ins. The first step to insert a calendar and date picker is to take a look at your data. Once you've got your Excel workbook open, click on Add-ins in the main menu. This will open up a world of useful Excel add-ins. Step 2. Selecting Mini Calendar. From the list of add-ins, select Mini Calendar. This is the magic tool that will allow you to insert a calendar and date picker right into your Excel worksheet. Click on it to enable the Mini Calendar add-in. Step 3. Inserting dates. Now, let's use this amazing tool. To insert a date into a cell, simply select the cell where you want to add the date. Then, click on the mini calendar icon, and a calendar will pop up right in your Excel window. From the calendar, pick the date you want, and it will be automatically added to the selected cell. It's that simple. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert a calendar and date picker into Excel. This tool will save you time, make your data more organized, and add a touch of professionalism to your workbooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your Excel-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips, programming insights, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Say goodbye to manual date entry and hello to the world of efficient Excel date picking. Thanks for watching, and happy data tracking.